In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Universe future while talking about IOTA cost gauge for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Universe. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Universe is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Universe succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Universe value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Universe and its to-date history. What is Universe? Universe markets itself as a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains, which are fueled by Byzantine issue open-minded agreement calculations like Tendermint. Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure is an element of one blockchain's agreement calculation, which makes it ready to accomplish agreement in a decentralized climate that might actually contain malevolent agreement checking hubs in it. These blockchains are equipped for interoperating with one another through the Universe organization, the supposed web of blockchains, additionally alluded to as Universe Center Point. It is the first blockchain sent off inside the Universe organization, and its principal errand will be to interlink other blockchains in the biological system. Tokens can be moved starting with one zone then onto the next safely and rapidly with the assistance of Universe Center Point. Universe organization will be based on top of three key parts. 1. Tendermint Center interfaces the system's administration and the agreement layer of the convention under a product execution known as Tendermint Center. Contains the Tendermint BFT agreement calculation and the IBC convention for center zone correspondence. 2. Application Blockchain Connection Point BFT replication of dApps in different programming dialects. ABCI is language rationalist and empowers designers to assemble the application part of their blockchain in any language. Is the associating connection point between Tendermint Center and Universe SDK. 3. Cosmos SDK advancement asset, otherwise called base coin. The basic role of the SDK is to lessen the intricacies in building the ABCI for normal blockchain usefulness and permitting designers to zero in on adjustable applications inside a normalized system. Engineers can take this fundamental edge that has implicit tokens, administration, marking, every one of the essential highlights expected of a blockchain, and afterward add wanted functionalities through modules. Fundamentally, the application layer of Universe organization. Tendermint Center is liable for the agreement on the Universe Center Point. Blockchains that are associated with the center keep up with their own agreement power. Without changing to Tendermint, engineers can assemble their own blockchains and applications with the assistance of Universe SDK and run them on top of the Tendermint Center, just agonizing over the application layer. ABCI utilizes an attachment convention to empower the agreement motor to oversee application state running in another agreement cycle, making Universe ready to help a wide assortment of cryptographic forms of money and prearranging dialects like those found in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zero Cash, CryptoNote, and that's just the beginning. About the Tendermint calculation. Tendermint, the hidden calculation of Universe, is the main transformation of evidence of stake agreement got from the useful Byzantine shortcoming lenient calculation presented by Castro and Liskov in 1999. Following a 30 drawn-out research period, EFT-based POS conventions pseudo-haphazardly dole out a validator the option to propose new blocks during a multi-round casting a ballot cycle. Nonetheless, committing and concluding blocks relies upon a supermajority. For this situation, 66% of the majority of all validators approving the proposed block. This might take a few adjusts, or polkas, before blocks become settled. EFT frameworks can endure up to a third of disappointments, where disappointments can incorporate erratic or malevolent way of behaving. Universe value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023 0210 0.89% $14 42 2023 02 11 plus 0.97% $14 69 2023 02 12 plus 5.48% $15 35 2023 02 132.11% $14 24 2023 02 14 plus 0.19% $14 58 2023 02 15 plus 2.80% $14 96 2023 02 161.29% $14 36 2023 02 173.61% $14 02 2023 02 18 plus 0.41% $14 61 2023 02 190.10% $14 53 2023 02 20 plus 0.51% $14.62 Universe Value Expectation 2023 High expansion and very perilous full-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 22.89% $11.22. 2023 APRA 35.06% $9.45. 2023 May 21.00% $11.49. 2023 June 11.61% $12.86. 2023 Joel 1.93% $14.27. 2023 1.24% $14.37. 2023 SEP plus 7.24% $15.60. 2023 OCT plus 10.13% $16.02. 2023 NA plus 26.12% $18.35. 2023 DEC plus 28.72% $18.73. 2024 JAN plus 31.36% $19.11. 2024 FEB plus 47.00% $21.39. IOTA value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees IOTA coming to